Hello, my name is Dominique Raviart and I'm a practice director at NelsonHall within the IT service practice. And today we're launching a new report on big data and analytics services, looking at what's going on in this market, from enterprise data warehouses to big data and AI, and always from a service perspective, so IT services and consulting perspective. I wanted to share a few highlights as part of this launch of this new report. And really the first one is, no surprise, data, insights, big data is still very much part of the digital transformation discussion of clients. And in the past, that was happening as part of workshops at the client site. 2 years ago, we saw that happening now in onshore centers within the vendors' dedicated centers. And clearly now in the past 1 year or so, we've seen still very much relevance of those centers onshore, but also combined with the development in the same place of minimum viable products and taking a very more sort of an adaptation of the agile view of developing a prototype, so to speak. So this is the first trend. Second trend is the trends away from the enterprise data warehousing and BI tools to respectively big data and data visualization tools is still very much relevant. The dynamics are changing a little bit within big data. The clients are now focusing much more on making use of these data lakes they've built. So the build phase is now getting into control and order, especially with the proliferation of big data platforms. And this is really about how to empower users to derive insights from those data lakes. So that's the first one. And so insights from this data lake is taking a lot of different directions, but what a common theme is really about moving towards reusable algorithms from one client to the clients, usually addressing one use case, but increasingly as part of industry solutions or sub-vertical solutions for more comprehensive use cases, and again with the intent of making this reusable. A third highlights I'd like to comment is really the changing ecosystem. And in the past, we've seen this ecosystem moving away from the likes of SAP or IBM, and then moving into open source software in big data, and also the data visualization vendors like Tableau and Qlik. Now we're about with the introduction of the AI, this is changing again, and IBM, AWS is a newcomer obviously, but SAP, Microsoft are very much relevant again because of all their investment in AI. So the ecosystem is changing again, and that's quite fascinating in this industry that is so fast moving. So anyway, these are the highlights of this report. As always, we think that in NelsonHall we will provide you the big picture view, as well as a lot of insights and details about this report, and we'll be more than welcome to process any of your requests on this topic. Many thanks for listening, and have a good day then.